Okay, in today's forecast, we're going to break down all the weather that you need to know that's going to hit the United States in the next few days, with some snowstorm actually, and severe weather, all that kind of stuff. So let's get right into it. Starting off with some of the GFS models. This is precipitation type. Um, as we move on, by Monday and Tuesday, Monday night to Tuesday morning, we can see that winter storm going through. Not going to be as bad, but it can bring some bad conditions as far south as Arkansas. So, if you live in Arkansas, that's not usually normal. Mostly, if you live in like Little Rock, central to eastern Arkansas, you're probably going to see some ice, some sleet, and all that. So, if you've lived in Arkansas for all your life, you're probably not used to that. Now we're looking at the jet stream, one of the most important models. A dip in the jet stream kind of going on, classic nor'easter shape, and that's going to bring some snow showers in those areas up in the Ohio Valley, so watch out for that. Not only snow, there can be some rain down near the Washington, Carolinas area, all those areas. Now, it's more and more uncertain on what exactly is going to happen as we move on into the future, but, active forecast. I've said that in all my videos, but you can see a dip in the jet stream that can bring some showers and thunderstorms in the southern United States, and yeah, that's it for now. Now we're looking at some more precipitation, GFS models, all that. This is precipitation type. You can see a snowstorm blowing in. There's places as far south as southern Missouri and northern Arkansas. So we can see areas getting a coating to an inch of snow, isolated amounts up to 1 to 3 inches. Again, this is my area. This will impact my area, so I will post about that if we do get some weather like that. Ice and sleet, you can see in that pink in central Arkansas, central to eastern Arkansas. And that's what's, that's the only danger in Arkansas. But, yeah, snow from far northern Arkansas all the way up into Canada. This isn't as bad of a snowstorm as, as it was yesterday, because that one was just crazy. It's not going to be like that. Even this one that's going on right now in the Northeast, it's not that bad. And then some more snow will continue to intensify up in the Northeast. That's going to cause some travel disruptions and stuff, and then some rainfall in the Southeast United States. Like Florida, Georgia, the Carolinas, all those areas. Up in the Ohio Valley, we can be seeing some pretty heavy snow. As we move on, we can see some showers and thunderstorms in the southern United States, like Texas, Louisiana, all those places, Arkansas, Oklahoma. So, I'm circling it right there. You can see some showers and thunderstorms with a flooding risk, but, severe weather isn't very likely. But stay tuned, because as we move on, there's going to be 2 rounds of really strong, those QLCS or squall lines moving through. So you can see some ice going on, ice and sleet and all that going on in northern Arkansas, mostly around the northeastern side of Arkansas. That snowstorm that's coming in, that can bring, a coating to an inch of snow, localized higher amounts in the Missouri Boot Hook area. So, if you live in there, watch out. Snow is possible by Thursday, December 4th, in the Amarillo area, Texas Panhandle, and that's going to move out of the area with just rain for the entire state of Texas is going to experience some kind of form of precipitation by Thursday through Sunday. So more rain and showers and thunderstorms is possible by Sunday, next Sunday, the December 7th. You can see some snow going on near the Chicago area, upstate New York is where we can see some of that sleet and ice and all that. And some snow flurries are possible in the Pacific Northwest, like always at this time of year, almost December. it's going to stay pretty quiet over the central United States with that possible winter storm going on up in the Ohio Valley into the northeast. And if that's actually what's going to happen, we can see some major travel disruptions and all that. Still pretty quiet over the central United States with a couple of snow flurries possible. And then some showers and thunderstorms are starting to form over the Indiana, Ohio, and Illinois area, with more snow showers going on in the Colorado all the way up to Washington, Oregon, all those places. And then what I was talking about, a huge QLCS will start to form and move through the eastern United States. If this is what's going to happen, this is Friday, December 12th. So, if this is actually what's going to happen, this is not good. That's very intense. So we can definitely see some severe weather out of that with a wind and hail threat. It's too far out to pick out certain details about this, but it's looking pretty bad. And then some snow showers coming out behind it. And then we get another one coming in with some more snow showers behind it. So not just one, two of these rounds. They're like 4 days apart. This is the 16th. So yeah, not just one, we got two rounds of severe weather coming in 4 days apart. So that's, if you live in the southeast, be ready for that. Because this is in about 14 days is where we can see this. So definitely watch out. Now we're looking at Cape. It's not much is happening, so there's not really any reason looking at this, but I don't know. I just thought it would be cool to see what's going on. And yeah, so we got some Cape coming in Houston. It really comes in when I was just out talking about that huge round of severe weather coming in. So watch this. A lot of Cape. You only need a little bit of Cape to spark some of those severe thunderstorms, and that's exactly where and when these thunderstorms are going to happen. Still really far out, hard to tell exactly what's going to happen, but we can definitely see some Cape over there. Again, there's not really much of a reason to be looking at this. I just thought, it's worth a shot. As we move on, it's more and more uncertain on what exactly is going to happen. You got some more Cape coming in by the 16th, and that's exactly when this next round of thunderstorms is going to come in. So really, a really active weather pattern is coming in. And that's about it for the Cape. Now we're looking at HazCams. Here they are. This is in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Nice day over there on the beach. It's in the 70s, upper 70s right now. Yeah, nice day on the beach in Gulf Shores, Alabama. So yeah, now we're looking at, there is a winter storm going on up in the New England area. This is not as intense as last time. We can see areas 5 to 10 inches at the most. I'd say more like 4 to 8 inches is at the most as possible. We still have a winter weather advisory. Basically, it's only there because of the road conditions. We got a lot of snow on the ground, which is why stay tuned because we're going to look at storm reports. Yeah, that whole area has a lot, like 10 inches of snow on the ground right now. A foot of snow on the ground. Places that aren't under this, like Springfield, Illinois, St. Louis, Missouri, all those areas, there's still snow on the ground, obviously, if you're there. But, it's not deep enough to issue a winter weather advisory. Now we are looking at snow reports. 9.5 inches was spotted by a trained spotter near the right off the west coast of Lake Michigan. Yeah, we can see snow 7.7 inches in 7.7 inches deep in Chicago. So yeah, this whole area is experiencing 12 inches of snow. We actually get a report of 11.5 inches. So basically, we're getting a foot of snow being dropped over there. These are snowfall. How deep the snow is. As you can see, it's staying up there, up in the Lake Michigan area. And then some more will fall in the as far south as southern Missouri. You can see right there. This is in upstate New York, around the New England area, and then Orange Beach. Nice day out there. So you got some cloud cover. This is the 8 to 14 day temperature outlook and the 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook. So you can look at that. Colder weather in the Northeast, and then some of that warmer weather going on up in the Pacific Northwest. That's about it for today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more updates.